Welcome to Supathya. Today we will see how to reduce sugar levels in kheer. There are different types of kheer like rice kheer, Semiya or Sabudana kheer or poha kheer. So today we are going to see how to remove excess sweetness from each type of kheer. So let's begin with rice kheer first. To reduce sweetness in rice kheer, all we have to do is take some extra quantity of milk, bring it to boil in the gas stove and simmer it for a few minutes so that the quantity gets reduced and the milk also gets thickened at the same time. Now we have to add this thickened milk to the original kheer. Now you must be wondering what is the quantity of extra milk to be added to the original kheer. Supposing you have made 1 liter of extra sweetened kheer, you can add quarter liter of boiled and thickened milk to this 1 liter of sweetened kheer. There is another method to reduce sweetness in rice kheer. We have to take 2 or 3 teaspoons of raw rice, powder it nicely in a mixer jar. Now take another container, add 1 glass of water and 1 glass of milk to this container. Add the powdered rice to this. Now keep this on the gas stove and start cooking. Let it become soft and mushy. Once this is done, off the gas stove and add this to the original sweetened kheer. Now you can take and bring this kheer, mix nicely and bring this kheer to boil. One thing I forgot telling you all, after adding this mushy mixture to the original quantity of the more sweetened kheer, we have to place the container in the gas stove and then start on the gas stove and stir it constantly and bring it to boil so that this mixture gets blended well and gets the rich taste. Now you can off the gas stove after a few seconds and then taste the kheer and see. You will find the difference in the taste, that it is medium as well as very tasty also. Now next let us see the other varieties of kheer. Semiya, Sabudana or poha kheer. There is a common method for all these 3 types of kheer. Take about 8 to 10 cashews and badams each. Powder it nicely in a mixie jar and then add this to some boiling milk. Now start cooking the milk by simmering the gas stove. Once it starts cooking, it starts thickening now. And then add this thickened mixture to the original sweetened kheer and start cooking it as well as stirring it constantly so that both the mixtures blend well. Now off the gas stove and you can taste it. You will notice that the sweetness of the original kheer has come down and it has also got a blend of the dry fruits taste. For this again, the quantity to be taken is as told earlier. For 1 liter of more sweetened kheer, you can always add a mixture of quarter liter of dry fruits and milk mixture. Now for Semiya and Sabudana kheer, we have another method. Take a container and as told by me, add 2 teaspoons of custard powder to it and add half a cup of water. Mix well and then cook it on low flame in the gas stove. After it starts thickening into a paste, just off the gas stove and add this thickened mixture to the original Sabudana or Semiya kheer. Stir well. Take care to see that this gets cooked well and blended well in the original mixture. Now when it comes to a nice mix, off the gas stove and then you can taste it. Now you can observe that you will definitely find the taste is medium sweetness and more tastier with this custard powder mix. Hope these ideas and tips would have been very useful to you. You can try these tips and tricks and leave your feedback in the comment section below.